Let's talk about money. Not just the dollars and cents, but the deeper meaning it holds in our lives. Not about stocks or bonds or fancy financial jargon that often feels like a foreign language. Let's talk about our personal relationship with money, how it shapes our decisions, our dreams, and even our sense of self-worth. Money is more than just a medium of exchange, it's a powerful force that influences our lives in countless ways. Because let's face it, money isn't just numbers on a spreadsheet, it's the key to unlocking opportunities and achieving our goals. It's about freedom, security, and the ability to live the life we want. It's the difference between merely surviving and truly thriving. In my book, The Psychology of Money, I wanted to strip away the intimidating facade of finance and talk about the human side of money. The side that deals with our emotions, our fears, and our aspirations. The emotions, the biases, and the stories we tell ourselves about wealth and success. These narratives shape our financial behaviors and decisions. The truth is, financial success isn't just about being good at math. It's about understanding the psychology behind our financial choices. It's about understanding your own relationship with money, recognizing the patterns and habits that either help or hinder your financial well-being. It's about making decisions that align with your values and goals, even when fear or greed are whispering in your ear. It's about finding balance and making mindful choices. So, are you ready to decode the language of money and write your own financial story? Let's dive in. Together we'll explore how to make money work for you, not the other way around. We'll uncover the secrets to financial peace of mind and the steps to achieve it. We'll discuss practical strategies for budgeting, saving, and investing, but also delve into the mindset shifts needed to sustain financial health. It's not just about accumulating wealth, but about creating a life of abundance and fulfillment. Remember, money is a tool, not an end in itself. It's a means to an end, a way to achieve your dreams and support the people and causes you care about. So let's embark on this journey together and transform the way we think about and interact with money. By understanding the true nature of money and our relationship with it, we can make more informed, confident, and empowering financial decisions. Let's get started on this path to financial enlightenment and success. So, are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? Let's dive in and start writing your own financial story today. We've all heard the stories: the college dropout who becomes a tech billionaire, the lottery winner who goes from rags to riches overnight. These stories are tempting, aren't they? They make us believe that wealth is a matter of luck, a stroke of good fortune bestowed upon a select few. But here's the thing, those stories are the exception, not the rule. The truth is, lasting wealth is rarely built on sudden windfalls or overnight success. It's built on a foundation of smart decisions, patience, and a healthy dose of discipline. It's like building a house. You wouldn't expect to move into a mansion just because you bought a lottery ticket, would you? You'd need a plan, a budget, and the willingness to put in the work, brick by brick. Building wealth is no different. Let's be real, the word budget doesn't exactly evoke feelings of excitement. For many, it's a dreaded task, something that feels more like a chore than a beneficial activity. The mere thought of sitting down to crunch numbers can be overwhelming and, frankly, quite boring. It sounds about as much fun as a root canal. Just the idea of it can make you wince, much like an impending dental appointment. But what if we could change that perspective? But what if I told you that budgeting isn't about deprivation? It's about empowerment. It's not about cutting out all the fun in your life. It's about making sure you have the resources to enjoy the things you love without stress. Imagine feeling in control and confident about your financial decisions. Think of your money like a zoo. Each dollar you earn is like an animal that needs to be taken care of. Just as a zoo has various animals with different needs, your finances have different categories that require attention. You've got all these different animals, expenses, to take care of: rent, food, entertainment, the occasional spontaneous weekend getaway. Each expense is like a unique animal with its own needs and care requirements. A budget helps you allocate your resources wisely, ensuring that each animal gets what it needs without the whole zoo going bankrupt. It's about balance and making sure that no single expense drains all your resources. Start by tracking your spending for a month. Write down every single expense, no matter how small. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. You might be surprised where your money is actually going. Those small, seemingly insignificant purchases can add up quickly. Maybe it's that daily coffee or those frequent takeout meals. Identifying these patterns is the first step to taking control. Then, create a plan for your spending. This is where you decide how much money goes to each category. It's like setting up enclosures for your zoo animals, ensuring each one has enough space and resources to thrive. Give each category, housing, food, fun, a designated amount. This way, you know exactly how much you can spend in each area without going overboard. It's about creating boundaries that help you manage your money more effectively. Remember, a budget isn't about restricting your life, it's about designing a financial framework that supports the life you want to live. It's about making conscious choices that align with your goals and values. When you budget, you're not just managing money, you're creating a plan for your future, ensuring that you can enjoy the things that matter most to you without financial stress. So take control of your financial zoo and watch how it transforms your life. Investing. It's a word that can make even the savviest among us feel a bit intimidated. The world of investing can seem like a labyrinth of complex terms, fluctuating markets, and high-stakes decisions. We picture Wall Street tycoons in suits, yelling numbers and making split-second decisions that could make or break fortunes. The fast-paced environment of trading floors and the constant buzz of financial news can be overwhelming. But here's the good news. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need to be a financial wizard or have insider knowledge to start building your wealth. You don't need a finance degree or a secret handshake to get started. With the right approach and a bit of patience, anyone can become a successful investor. In fact, the most successful investors are often the ones who keep it simple. They focus on long-term goals and avoid the temptation to chase quick profits. Think of investing like planting a tree. It requires careful planning, nurturing, and time. You start by choosing a healthy sapling, a solid investment. Then you plant it in fertile ground, which is a diversified portfolio. Diversification helps spread risk and increases the chances of growth. You water it regularly by contributing consistently and patiently watch it grow. Regular contributions, even small ones, can make a significant difference over time. The magic of compounding, earning returns on your returns, is like the tree growing taller and stronger year after year. Compounding can turn modest investments into substantial wealth if given enough time. The earlier you plant that seed, the more time it has to flourish. Starting early gives your investments more time to grow and benefit from compounding. Educating yourself is the first step. There are countless resources available, from books and online courses to financial advisors who can guide you. Setting clear financial goals is crucial. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding your child's education, having specific objectives will help you stay focused and motivated. Explore different investment options. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate are just a few of the many avenues you can consider. Each has its own risk and return profile, so it's important to understand what you're investing in. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized investment plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio. As your life circumstances and financial goals change, so should your investment strategy. Staying informed and adaptable is key to long-term success. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building wealth over time, not getting rich quick. Stay patient, stay informed, and enjoy the journey. Just like watching a tree grow, the rewards of investing come with time and care. Start today and let your financial future flourish. In the age of instant gratification, it's easy to fall into the trap of wanting everything right now. But when it comes to building wealth, patience is your superpower. Remember that tree we talked about? It takes time for a tree to grow from a tiny sapling into a mighty oak. The same goes for your investments. The longer you give your money to grow, the more powerful the magic of compounding becomes. It's like rolling a snowball down a hill. At first, the snowball is small, and progress seems slow. But as it rolls, it gathers more snow, gaining momentum and size. The same principle applies to your investments. The earlier you start, and the longer you stay invested, the more significant your returns will become over time. We've all heard the advice, stop buying that daily latte and you'll be a millionaire. While I appreciate the sentiment, I think it's a bit simplistic. Sure, cutting back on small, unnecessary expenses can free up some cash flow. But the real power lies in shifting your mindset from deprivation to opportunity. Instead of focusing on what you have to give up, think about what you can gain by making small, sustainable changes to your spending habits. Could you pack your lunch a few times a week instead of eating out? Could you explore free or low-cost entertainment options instead of splurging on expensive concerts every weekend? Remember, it's not about being a penny pincher, it's about being mindful of your spending and making choices that align with your long-term financial goals.